Here are the best and worst things to order at a steakhouse. A steakhouse offers indulgence, but not every menu item is worth ordering. Knowing which dishes shine and which to avoid can elevate your experience. Ribeye is prized for its marbling, flavor, and tenderness. Its fat keeps it juicy even beyond medium rare, while bone-in options enhance taste. The filet mignon may be the most tender cut on the menu, but it is also one of the least flavorful. Porterhouse combines strip and tenderloin in one cut. When shared, it becomes a centerpiece, cooked medium rare and often sliced tableside. Chicken is rarely impressive in steakhouses. Overcooked and secondary to the kitchen's focus on beef, it's better saved for other venues. A balance of fat and firmness makes the strip ideal for grilling. It delivers a rich, beefy flavor without excess fat. Seafood often falls short unless the restaurant specializes in it. Fish can be overcooked, and shellfish may be frozen, so stick to beef. Tomahawk and bone-in ribeyes offer enhanced flavor, even cooking, and visual impact. Overcooking dries out high-quality beef, destroying flavor. Medium or medium well preserves taste while remaining safe. Aging intensifies flavor and tenderness. Cuts aged over 30 days deliver standout complexity.